We proceed into steps. Use a Phillips screwdriver to loosen the large screws at both ends slightly. It can be adjusted left or right, or up or down. Then tighten the screws. The other side is the same. How to place it on the center console. One end can be placed against the angle first. The other end is at the very top here. Slowly put it in. When it's almost in place, make a few final adjustments to its position. The raised center console is now properly installed. The interface is normally located below the steering wheel. Just plug it in. 1. Click Upgrade. Press once more to lower. Press this switch on the side to turn off the power. Press once more to turn on the power. First, we press the side button. Switch to power off state. If you don't stop pressing the side power button, caution, do not press the side button too hard. The default elevation angle is quite steep. You can start by adjusting the elevation angle. We proceed into steps. The support leg can be adjusted left or right, or up or down. Then we increase the elevation angle, lean forward toward the windshield, tighten it again. This way, the angle will be perfectly normal. When we reach the summit, there's still this much empty space here. We're going to raise it. It's right here. We'll label here. We swipe our fingers toward the glass. It clicks 3 to 5 times each time it is pressed. It will move up slightly. Adjust until it is just right. We proceed into steps. Then we press it down. When it rises again, it will stop at the height we set. Fix bracket. Press down on the base with your left hand. Right hand grips the sunshade. You can then remove the base. Peel off the 3mm adhesive strip on the base. Press it gently one more time to lock it in place. Press it gently one more time to lock it in place. The same procedure applies on the other side. We proceed into steps. Switch button mounting method. Then just stick the button back on. Check of the results. After installation is complete, we'll flip the main switch as soon as we turn it on. At this time, the power is on. We just need to press it once. Press it again to retract it.